guys, the snowstorm was kind of a bust. We didn't really get any snow at all. They hiked it all up and we ended up getting like nothing. We're probably gonna get an inch and that's about it. We're supposed to get like six inches or so. I can't get the store open. There we go. Okay. And it's coming out. Fucking Lord, the rough shit. Okay. Getting more food for later. But it's gonna be a cold one tonight. The wind chill could be possibly go down to near 0. So I gotta get more straw in here too. Excuse me. It's really lightning. So I'll push this back into here. I've got 1 egg so far today. Oops, sorry. Okay. Chickens won't want to come out so there's a little bit of snow on the ground. Chickens are not fans of snow. Ducks are. I was hoping to get a video of ducks falling face first into the snow. We got like 6 inches of snow, be taller, almost as tall as them. They're up to their bellies. So yeah, snowstorm was a bust today. Farther east they're getting like 1 to 2 feet of snow. And near Philadelphia they're getting like, yeah, it's like 2 feet. And it's a blizzard or two, they're getting like 67 mile/hour winds too. It was a complete blizzard. If we get that here, we wouldn't. Oh, there, Bucko's going at it already. If we had a blizzard here, the ducks would not be outside. I wouldn't do that. It's too much with the weather. But we're fine here. I'm not sure what Bucko is trying to accomplish here. They're very dirty. Some of them have been out for like a week. Look how dirty they get. I don't know what the heck they're trying to accomplish there. The egg experiments are going really well right now. We have it on day 9. So Bucko's doing a good job with that, as you can see right there. But our ducks aren't too happy. I don't know why Oreo's eating the brown duck's feathers. Yeah, but the eggs are fertile, so this will be hatching out Oreo's kid, or Bucko and Oreo's kids, and then that other duck too. In the spring, hopefully a couple weeks. But I'm not sure because the weather. I wasn't gonna do it earlier, but good thing I didn't because the weather's been really cold. That's why it's put off a little bit. We keep getting these warm days, and then we get these cold snaps. So I think it's better off delaying until at least probably close to maybe like the last week of March, close to April-ish. So we'll see. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys again tonight. Chickens are staying inside today, so to get more straw and more food. So guys, I'll see you guys again tonight. Okay, well, I'm falling down the hill. It is very cold out here, guys, and windy, and snowy. A little bit of everything. It'll be pretty cool tonight. The wind chill's probably getting down to close to 0-ish. So I came out a little bit earlier. Look at all the snow. All the snow going in here. It's very windy. That's all frozen. Okay. Oh, we have an egg. Excuse me, Silky. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody's here in the confort. Got the eggs. Oh, it is frozen. It's a bummer. So, almost an egg. I guess it's so cold right now, guys. So, I'm gonna lock them up, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.